Plus, every program page provides a detailed description of its content, so you'll always know exactly what you're getting. And if you ever have doubts, you're never alone. You can contact me or any of our learning journey partners. In fact, the best part about Anjmi is that even with our free programs, you'll still be assigned a learning journey partner who's there to answer your questions and guide you. We also offer many free programs around the PMP codomains, including the Survival Kit and an exam day review designed for quick refreshes and fast revision just before exam day. For those who love practice, there's the PMP War Room, complete with 10 PDFs, perfect for sharpening your exam skills or contributing toward your certification renewal. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, the best choices are the 85-day PMP Bootcamp or the Live PMP Bootcamp. Both are designed as complete. One gives you recorded sessions to learn at your own pace, while the other offers live sessions for real-time interaction. But remember, if you decide to go with the live sessions, you need to secure your spot at least 1 to 2 months before the upcoming bootcamp. Seats are limited, and live camps usually fill up and close well in advance. Now, let's discover the power of the Anjmi 85-day PMP Bootcamp together in the next couple of minutes. Once you've found a program you love, like the 85-day PMP Bootcamp or the Live PMP Bootcamp, click here so they'll automatically move into your favorite programs for easy reference anytime. On the right side of the screen, you'll always find the program description. Every program provides a clear, detailed breakdown of its content. Click See More to explore deeper so you know exactly what you're getting before you enroll. And if you ever have doubts, remember, you're never alone. You can contact me or any of our learning journey partners. On the left side of the page, you'll find some basic but important information, the type of certification, whether it's anytime or completion based. For all PMP programs, we provide anytime certification so candidates can immediately apply and submit their PMP applications. The program duration and its expiration date. But don't worry, every Anjmi program includes an additional 90 days of free access after the expiration date, giving you extra time to review, revise, and perfect your practice whenever you need. With Anjmi, everything is designed to keep you confident, supported, and ready to succeed. Click to preview the curriculum and uncover the powerful content that awaits you, starting with 14 structured classes, each one carefully designed to guide you step by step. Inside, you'll find over 50 hours of simplified explanations, where our experts connect ideas and topics seamlessly using mind maps. You'll also practice with hands-on exercises both during the lessons and after completing each topic, ensuring that you not only understand but can also apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. To supercharge your preparation, you'll also gain access to our exam day review power sessions, crafted to sharpen your focus right before the big day.